It's your girl Denisha, back with another video. It is 8:45 in the morning. It's 8:45 in the morning. I went to bed last night. This whole week I was just like, y'all, I gotta get on this content. I gotta do better. Like, I'm trying to be consistent. Keyword trying. But yeah, so in the effort to be consistent, I was like, you know what, let me get up, let me worship the Lord real quick, read my devotional real quick, and then I gotta put this camera in my face. I have to put this camera in my face so I can get this content pushed out. So I might as well just start doing the stuff that I want to do. I mean, the stuff that I normally do every day. One of those things being make myself breakfast. So I'm gonna make French toast. I love French toast. Probably more than waffles. And if you know me, like for people that do know me, like I love waffles more than pancakes. If you say pancakes over waffles, you weird. And we ain't gonna argue about it. We ain't gonna argue about it. But you weird. So yeah, it's definitely team waffles over pancakes, but team French toast over everything. Okay. Especially if you go somewhere fancy and they got like the brioche bread, any type of luxury or fancy, just soft push like bread, it's great. So, but if you like me, you average regular daily looker now, I'm using the Nature Valley butter bread. It's real good, y'all. It's real good. So and I never get like the first little piece. I always pull down like 2 pieces and then grab bread. So I'm just gonna try to do 2 for now, unless I end up needing more bread because I have extra eggs. I hope y'all can hear me. I got the fan on in the kitchen. I can actually turn it off. You know, I'm one of those people where like I just need noise going on around me because I can't do nothing in silence. I don't know, it's just weird. So I'm gonna start with 2 eggs. Let me show y'all my nice little fancy egg carton that I got from Amazon. It came in a 2-pack, so I actually have 2 of these, and I just really been eating my eggs from this one. So almost done with this one. I'm only gonna get 2 out of here though. That's usually about a good number. Eggs, and then I'm gonna crack them open. Y'all can't crack y'all eggs with one hand. You suck. You suck, bro. You suck. You suck. You like pancakes and you can't crack your eggs with one hand. Hate to be you, but I'm not listening to nothing, y'all. I was listening to music, and I had it in my headphones because you should be trying to copyright, folks. I ain't got time. I can't do no copyright. So crack my 2 eggs, crack open the yolk, and then I just whisk it with a fork. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too fancy. Just turn the bowl a little bit, flick the wrist. Look at that, flick in the wrist, whatever the case may be. I don't have any milk. Usually I would like add milk to it. Just give it like that little creamy little consistency. So I've seen some people add creamer to it as well, which I don't think I ever did that, but it sounds like a good idea. Give the egg base a natural little sweetness if you're using a flavored creamer. But yeah, I do put my cinnamon in there. Put a little bit of cinnamon in it. Ooh, all right. Doing too much. So I put a little bit of cinnamon in there, and then why did I not grab anything to get me some sugar, some brown sugar? Shout out to my friend Kyra. She got me these things. Y'all, I love them things. I love them things so much. And I'm gonna use a plastic spoon because Who said I'm gonna be washing all these dishes? I wash dishes when family come to visit me, except last weekend for my graduation. Everybody got paper plates, plastic silverware. I was not gonna be doing dishes every day. No. With how many people in the house? 4 people in the house, potentially 5 if my dad would have stayed. Nope. Not doing all them dishes. So I add brown sugar, cinnamon to my egg base. And sometimes vanilla, but I'm gonna see when I add the vanilla, I really can't taste the difference. So I'm gonna see if I can taste the difference without adding it this time. So you just whisk that in there. And it gives your eggs this nice brown type color, whatever. Which is good for me because I kind of like my French toast to be brown. Not burnt, but just have like a little brown tint to it. Not that egg, not that yellow egg. I mean, yeah, you egg washing your French toast, but you don't want it to look like it. You know what I'm saying? So, try to make it a little brown. And then I proceed to turn my bread. My hands are clean, by the way. Washed them before I got on camera. And I just kind of like knock the excess yolk off of it, because when you don't and it cooks like an egg. I don't want an egg built into my French toast, if that makes sense, but you know what I'm saying? Ooh, my hand getting dirty, gross. That is the one thing about cooking that I don't like. I just don't like my hands to be dirty. I just don't like my hands to be dirty, period. But, I mean, when you cooking, it just kind of happens, right? Guess I could have such nasty. Whew. Alright, I might need to get another, piece of bread, because maybe I just needed one. But see, then if I would have used one egg, I wouldn't have had enough. That would have made me so mad. But how y'all week been? What y'all been up to? I've been chilling. This week been kind of slow. Well, actually, let me not lie like that. The beginning of the week, like, cause I don't work on weekends or Mondays. I work Tuesday through Friday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday were really, really busy for me. And then Friday, I thought it was gonna be busy, but it was kind of slow. It was busy in the sense that I worked until it was time to go home, which is odd for a Friday. Usually on Friday, I'm done before lunch, just because the day is so slow. A lot of people, when they take off on Fridays. So if nobody's at work, I'm not getting emails, I'm not getting calls. If my boss is like in a meeting or he's like traveling for work and he's not in office, then you know, it's kind of a slow day for me. Not that he gives me a lot to do. It's just, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say this on camera, but when he's out, everybody else is kind of like slowing their pace, which means like, we'll get to it Tuesday. So then I don't have much to do on Friday. I do, so things I know I have to do on Friday is, basically I know I have to get our meeting slides prepared for Tuesday, because we have a meeting every Tuesday. So I do that. And you know, just update stuff. I really ain't gonna go into detail about what I do, but just get everything ready for the meeting next week. We have a really big meeting. We have our normal meeting, and then we have a really big meeting that we have to attend right after. And so yesterday I was getting ready for that, and that's probably why I was really busy too, because let me put that on first. That's probably why I was real busy too, because boy, that meeting it's just a lot. It's just a lot. And then it's the pre-meeting to a big meeting, so it's like, all right. But let me butter this up real quick, so that my bread don't stick when I turn it. I am putting it in the air fryer. I like that better than actually doing it on the stove or skillet or whatever you want to say. So I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I got the air fryer preheating, and I've already buttered the side that I'm gonna put the French toast on. So I'll lay that. So when you're doing the French toast in the air fryer, you can just do, you would set it to 320 degrees, and you would let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I like mine brown. I want the egg, of course, to be done. And so I let it go for 3 minutes on each side. And I put it at the top level in the air fryer, which you'll see, so that I can just get that little crisp, not crisp, but that brown color to it, or else it'll kind of look yellow and washed. So just kind of cut down on time. I like my food to all be hot at the same time. I'm gonna put my turkey Canadian bacon on the other side. Now this really requires a higher temperature, but if it's gonna cook low, you can just let it stay there a long time. But this says 400 at 6 minutes. So even after the French toast is done, it'll probably still have to cook for a while. So while that's preheating, this is ready, this is done. I might sprinkle a little bit more. So I have just cinnamon, and then I have a cinnamon sugar mix. It's already mixed, so I might just sprinkle that a little bit more on the top. If I had that cinnamon toast crunch seasoning, I probably would use that. I ain't gonna lie, I probably would. So let's move that out of the way. So what I do is, if I'm cooking, if I have any packaging where food comes out of, I put it in a separate bag. Anything that got like raw food residue on it, I put it in a separate bag, close it up, and that is not going to go in the trash in the house. That's going to go outside, because it's the summertime. Ain't nobody got time for no gnats. Let me go ahead and put up everything that I used: bread, eggs, cinnamon, sugar. I already put the cinnamon up, brown sugar. Clean as you go, people. When I tell you that, one thing my mama always taught me while cooking is clean as you go, babe. You do not want to have a big mess at the end of cleaning. I mean, at the end of cooking. So you already got dishes, so you better clean while you're cooking, while you got some downtime. So let me run and put this up. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so the air fryer is done. So like I said, I'm gonna put this on the top level. Just here. I will hit bake. It's already at 320, and then I just take it down to what I said, 3 minutes on each side, 3, 6. So now I just put it on 6 minutes. and it'll start on its own. So while we wait on that, let's make a parfait. I got me some parfait cups. I got some pineapples and blueberries. Usually I have strawberries, and I'll put strawberries and blueberries in my parfait, but I do not have any more strawberries. I ate them throughout the week. So let me go get my yogurt. So I grabbed my yogurt, grabbed my granola. Again, shout out to my friend Kara. I get this granola from Sam's Club. I forget what it's called, but it's like in a beige brownish type bag, and it's just honey and oats, and I think I got like a little honeycomb on it. It says Sam's Club granola. I think that's the only kind of granola they got. I also get this from Sam's Club because it's a big tub. And it's cheap for such a big size. Honey Vanilla Greek Gods. And this is honestly like the best yogurt to eat by itself, to eat with something. So I'm basically gonna take the spoon that I use to scoop the brown sugar, because it's brown sugar. And you know how like you let yogurt sit in it. Alright. I gotta check stuff, y'all, because sometimes I do buy stuff in bulk and then I don't eat as much as I thought I would. Usually, like, I would eat a parfait every morning. I haven't. So this yogurt should have been gone like this week, but like I said, I didn't make any this week, so I didn't eat any this week. I have to prep or else I'm not gonna do it. So first, I put down a base of yogurt. I should have used another spoon, but so I put a base of yogurt, and then I put fruit. Then I do some granola. That's the first layer. I don't know if y'all can see that. Put some more yogurt. And honestly, like with the parfaits, I would say make it and then let it sit overnight, because when the granola gets a little bit soft, not soggy, but a little bit soft, it's much better that way. And I put the rest of my fruit on the top. Sprinkle a little bit of granola. Ooh. So boom, there's a parfait. Just in time enough for me to flip my French toast. And y'all, it still end up sticking. Let me get a spatula. Ooh, that thing hot. Oh, okay. Sometimes, y'all, I just don't be knowing. You could butter some, y'all, it'll still stick. Maybe I didn't put enough. Gotta put a lot of butter. Gotta put a lot of butter. So it's flipped. It's now flipped. Also flip the meat around so it can cook on the other side. And then once you close it, it'll continue to go. You put up everything involved with the yogurt. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost done taking up y'all time. Let me get my thing. As you can see, food is done. Oh yes, brown, just like I like it, y'all. So now we're gonna plate it up. I think I'm cool with how the meat turned out as well. So I'm just gonna take it off. Cut my French toast in half. So yeah, once you do that, plate it up, make it look like something. I'm gonna grab a different spoon for my powdered sugar, cause I like to eat, y'all. I like my plate to look real cute. Like I said, I ate all the strawberries, but usually I would put strawberries, blueberries, all of that on there, make it look even better, but I don't have that, so I can't do that, unfortunately. And I was gonna make some eggs. I was like, yeah, no, I'm just gonna make the parfait. That's quicker. I didn't really want to put the cooking eggs on camera. Put that to the side. So far this is how it's looking with my parfait on the side. And then you just get you some syrup, whatever brand you like. Sprinkle it on there. Drizzle, not sprinkle. Or drench, whatever you like. So yeah, this is my breakfast. It look good, don't it? I know it, but we're not finished yet, honey. We're not finished yet. We're gonna make us a wine mimosa. Again, orange juice from Sam's Club. Honestly, they have like the best orange juice. I ain't even gonna lie. And if I couldn't get the orange juice from Sam's, I would definitely get Tropicana. It tastes like Tropicana to me. Yeah, that's the brand. I don't know where this is from, but it was a gift for me from one of my coworkers for graduation, and it is really sweet, y'all. I don't know if y'all ever had this before, but it is so sweet. Tastes like, oh, it says semi-sweet, but it's really sweet to me. So this is where I filled it up to. Shake up the orange juice. That's it, y'all. So that is my breakfast. Brunch, well, breakfast because it's nowhere near lunch, and this is what we looking like. I gotta get a thumbnail, y'all. That's why it's taking so long. All right, that's it. I will catch y'all in the next one. Hopefully y'all make this, try it out. Hopefully it's good. Or I gotta tell y'all if it's a difference between the vanilla or not. Not really. Not really. Maybe the vanilla. I don't know. I ain't gonna say that. I'm not no food person, but I mean, like, I'm not a food critic. But without the vanilla, I taste a little bit more of the egg. So maybe adding the vanilla, kind of cancels out that egg type flavor. Who knows? I don't know. I don't cook for a living. It's not my job title. So that being said, bye.